bedroom. You got your new shoes and your new orthotics on. Let's do it. Come on. Are you ready? Let's go in your bedroom. Come on. Do you want to go see your big girl bed?
Oh.
Is it the big girl bedroom?
Come on. Look what I have.
Come on. Let's go. You can do it. Do you want your beads? Good job. Bring them forward.
Woohoo!
Uh-oh, we're gonna get stuck. Good job. Moving, though. Yeah.
Good job.
Good job. Hello. You're now in your bedroom. Ooh. Peyton's room. Peyton's room. Peyton's bedroom.
Good job, Peyton. You did it.
Bedroom.
You did it.
Here we go. Good job.